Okay guys, it's time. We're gonna do this song. Yeah, let's keep it up! No, it's not him. Well, it's okay. I go and claim my hive. I look at all my bees there at the time. Well, I think I should go boost right now. Oh yeah, why? I ran up to the field, and to surprise the boost was on standstill. Quick and easy, ready to get some more honey. I'm boosting, ready to get some honey like ooh yeah. Glue other things used today include red extract and the blue, oil enzymes and the glitter. Boosting, all I know is that this amulet is mine. I'm boosting. I'm boosting. All I know is that this amulet is mine. When I finish the boost, I will go leave the field and so on too. I get the winds and glitter it up to ×4. And so I carry on, leveling up my bees with some more bond. Ooh, I don't know how long the pine tree boost will be. I'm boosting, ready to get some honey like ooh yeah. Glue other things used today include red extract and the blue, oil enzymes and the glitter. Boosting, all I know is that this amulet is mine. I got the honey, I'm boosting. I got the honey, I'm boosting, 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 boosting. I'm boosting, ready to get some honey like ooh yeah. Glue other things used today include red extract and the blue, oil enzymes, tropical and the glitter. Boosted, all I know is that this amulet is mine. I got the